Hello mga kagarot! Good afternoon! We just get home, guys. Just get home. Now, yadto ko sa Asian, guys. Ang akong ipakita kung unsa. Nice something sa mata. Nagkalkag ang akong buhok. Nga kung toyo sa Asian store, saging og what else? Fish. But actually, saging ra gyud unta, no? Saging ra gyud. Unya kay nakakita ko ani, guys, ako ipakita. Nagpalit ko kay naibog ko. Usay mo adto mi, pakakita ka nga nas baligya, pero gagmay inya ang uban patay. Karon kay dagko unya puro buhi way patay. Tanaw, guys, ako ipakita. Tara. Diba dagko? Oh. Diba dagko? See? Dagko, guys. Dagko. Mahal man. Gamay ra kong ipalit. Nagpalit ako igo-igo. Oh. Dagko yun, guys. See? Aray, bugat pag yun. Luto. Para ako ra usa mo kaon, sad. 5 lang na kabuok. I visit my sister in Evansville, and on the way home, I told my husband take me to the Asian store, and I seen this is very, very good, and I miss to eat. I want to show you. I miss to eat this kind of food. I want to show you guys. It's really, really good. See, it's charan.
This
it's
looks
not
so
cooked
yummy.
yet. Started pork crabs. It's popping one
But
leg
it needs to be cooked.
because it's getting hot. And they're still alive. And niadto ko I seen inside the store 2 boxes of crabs, and locally they're all alive. There's no dead. Look at this, how big they are. How big they are. Look how big this one. See, they are big and heavy. I bought 5 for me and 5 for my sister. Look at that. Look at that. And they are all female. See? It's big, guys. See? I'm gonna eat it by myself. Every time I visit in Asian store, and I always check if they have the crab that I like. Well, I stopped buying like that because every time we go there, they have sometimes, but they're tiny, and like it's not like you don't like to eat because it's skinny. And this one is really good. And also I bought this one too. Taran. But I don't want to cook that this time. I just have that for maybe if I like it one day. I did not share my sister for that.
Look how it turns red when cooked.
I think they're done. What do you think, guys? I think they're done. Let's try. Let's eat. We just try one. What about this? This one. There you go. Look at that. See? Steak. Alright. Itong tilawan, no? Let's try. We open this one first. Pagkainit. Muna akong igamit sa cake. Napa siya blue. Blue. Parang may wala maluto. Ay! Sus! Saran! Tambok. Nasa guys na. Nagkuha kong tissue kay magpunay biyatag panrapi oh. Ay, gahi man di ay.
Dahil bang oblihon. Yummy, 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 yummy. Come on guys, let's eat. Let's eat. Kaon sa akong tiwas guys, no? Thank you, Babo.